It has finally arrived, and today I want to do unboxing. And there it is. After 6 weeks of waiting, today it finally arrived. The Panasonic Lumix FT7, and in some countries known as the TS7. Well, let's do the unboxing. Let's get going. Well, let's see what's inside. A thank you note. The invoice. Bubbles and bubbles. Ah, this is interesting. An adapter plug. And there it is. All the info. I'll study those later in detail. Okay, this is a power supply, that's why they sent the adapter. Charging cable and connection cable, USB, carry strap, and the battery. Okay. And finally, the camera. This would have been perfect if they had two batteries. This is the Panasonic battery pack, model number DMW BCM13E, 3.6 volt, 1250 milliamps, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. And then with all its cautions and so on and so on. And there you go, unboxed, the Panasonic Lumix FT7. It's well built, quite hefty. I think it's going to be a very, very handy camera. The FT7, also known as the TS7 in some countries, comes in 3 colors. The black one, which I ended up with, the blue and the orange. I originally ordered the orange, but they were out of stock, and after 6 weeks of waiting, contacted them and asked them if I could have another color, and that's how I ended up with the black. It came with 1 battery. It would have been perfect if they supplied it with 2 batteries. Unfortunately, it does not come with a charger. In the next few days I'll get the battery charged and put the camera to a test and maybe do a follow-up video on how it works, my first impressions. Thanks for hanging and watching my video. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you liked this video, hit the like button below. And until the next video, see you then.